Hello and welcome back to my channel, Make Life Simple with Sandy. All right, y'all, who else is working on their quarantine 15? They say by the time this is over, we're going to have gained 15 pounds. So, y'all, I am making something today I have never made before. I got this idea from my daughter-in-law and my son. We sent them home with some strawberries that had been kind of put in a syrup, and they called and said, can we make a cobbler? And I said, well, yeah, I guess. Try it and see. Well, they made the cobbler. The only thing they did, being there was a lot of liquid in it, they just put, I think, half the milk. Well, I went to Walmart the other day and picked up a Walmart order, and I ordered one little thing, a small container of strawberries. Well, they didn't have them. So they sent me a big container. Well, I'm not going to eat them all. So there is some. And I've still got some over there. So I thought, I'm going to throw a cobbler together with these strawberries. That's about 3 cups. And I didn't cut them up small because I was afraid once they cooked down, they might be mushy. I don't know. But then I've got a cup of milk, a cup of sugar, and a cup of flour, or you can use Bisquick. And this is just a simple recipe. And then right after it comes out, I put some butter on the top of it. And if it's not sweet enough, you can add some more sugar to it, okay? But I think this is going to be sweet enough with the strawberries. My favorite is Blackberry, and I have done a video on a Blackberry cobbler, and if I can remember, I'm the world's worst, if I can remember, I will link it down below, okay? So, but let's get started. I'm going to set y'all over here. All right, let's see. That's my oven going off. All right, can y'all see okay? Y'all, I'm winging this. I was going to do this, and I thought, oh, I'm going to film it. So, all right, I'm hoping y'all can see me there. All right, we're gonna go with it. So, but anyhow, you just put your milk. I put it in first so my sugar and my flour don't get stuck to the bottom. And then put your flour in. And then put your sugar in. Y'all, this is so simple. And then just kind of whisk it up. It don't take long at all. Okay. I'm making sure y'all can see me. Okay. All right. And I have sprayed my dish. This is a Pioneer Woman dish that my daughter got me for Christmas. She called, Mama, what do you want? I said, I would love to have some of those Pioneer. Because I've got Corningware, but my Corningware is older than my kids. And so anyhow, she got me this. All right, so what you do, y'all, you put your fruit, whatever fruit you want. You can do this with peaches or whatever. Just put your fruit in. And like I said, now I've got these chunked up kind of big. I don't know how this is going to do, but I will bring y'all back when it's done. And then the instructions that I have read is when you pour this over, don't stir, okay? Just pour it over. And y'all, this may be too many strawberries. So, but I've got to use them somehow. And y'all, wouldn't this be so good with Cool Whip? Some kind of whipped topping or something like that? I think it would be wonderful. So. Okay, well, I'm going to stick this in the oven. Now, sometimes I'll put butter on it, you know, right. If this was a Blackberry cobbler, I'd go ahead and put me some pats of butter across the top. But being this is something I haven't done before, I'm going to wait. So, okay? Can y'all see? I think I had that bucket anyway. But anyhow, y'all get the gist of it. I'll bring you back when it's done. Hey, everybody, it is done. I'm going to let it set a little bit and then put some in a bowl with some Cool Whip and try to taste it. It cooked about, let's see, 30, 45. It cooked about 50 minutes, I guess. So, but, and it is smelling so good. I cannot wait to try this, y'all. My very first strawberry cobbler. So, but we will be back. It is done, y'all, and it is really good. Now, I didn't put any butter on it. I just forgot. So, but it is really good. It's not real bad sweet. I've got me some in a bowl here, and I put some of this sugar-free heavy whipped topping on there. And y'all, it's really good. I really like it. I will be doing this again, definitely. It kind of tastes like strawberry shortcake. So it's going to be good with whipped topping, and I believe it would be good with ice cream on it too. So, but I'll put the recipe down below and the recipe to my blackberry cobbler, which this is really the same recipe. You just use strawberries instead of the blackberries. So, but thank you so much for watching. I'm fixing to go and enjoy my cobbler. Thank you. Have a great day. God bless.